Hi guys, it's Kelly from Cards by Christine here with you on a Technique Thursday to share with you the Bay Window Fun Fold card. So let's show it off. This beauty is a fun fold that features a pop out that looks like a bay window. So if you're familiar with that on homes, that's what inspired this. And it's really all in the scoring and then the special DSP on the dimensional flaps that really makes it a showstopper. So in the description of the video, you will find the measurements for the pieces and the measurements for the scores for the card base. The card base is really where all of the magic happens because you've got a variety of additional score marks that allow for this fun fold to take shape. And then when you mail it, it's completely flat, so you can put it in a standard envelope, which is awesome. Then you open it and you've got a traditional inside of a card that you can sign just like normal. And what I think is really cool is how this one is designed that the DSP really is what holds the card together. And it is such a nice pattern that you can butt the two pieces of DSP up here that it doesn't even look like any distinguishing factor. It's just literally like, see what I did there? So you've got this, the farmost right side of the card is what looks to be a ½ inch or not quite, I'd say. And that flap just tucks under here. You see what I was saying about the DSP? So just going ahead and getting our bearings back. Okay, so you see how this DSP here is dimensionalized up from the base of the card so that you have an area to tuck that flap into, and it's designed in such a manner that the DSP matches and it looks ever so seamless. So then in designing a bay fold card, bay window fold card, it is such a cool idea to have die cut or shaped imagery on it because it's such an elevated platform that it really jumps out at you. So this card was from one of Chris's classes, but I also want to show off here this card, which was a swap card from one of Chris's swap groups. And I love how much dimension not only the fun fold portion of it gives, but all these die cuts and additional layers. It really sets it apart as a very just breathtaking card. And you'll see a major difference between these two cards is this one has all the same DSP for all of the panels, and this one has two different styles of DSP, completely optional as to how you want to design your card. But the instructions in the comments show for the two different designs of DSP. So keep in mind you can obviously make just one DSP pattern for all of the cuts as in this green card on the left here, or you can do the two different DSP. Really a fun technique that makes a very beautiful, very unique card with not really much extra effort. It's just about knowing the measurements and putting all the pieces together. So, a couple of weeks, if not well over a month ago at this point, I had shown off a fun fold card and I asked for your opinion, and I got really great feedback that we enjoy fun folds. Fun folds are really unique folds, literally, that elevate your cards. And I got a lot of great feedback that you enjoyed seeing different fun folds. So you'll see me pepper in some fun folds every so often in our technique videos. So let us know what you think of this fold, or if you come up with a creation based off of this fold. We would love to see it and drop it in the comments. So I hope you have a wonderful Technique Thursday, And you can catch Chris later tonight for some live card making.